My circus pony puts himself to bed. Hello circus fans, how are you today? Right, last week I promised you some shoulder stretches, didn't I? He's having his tea, so whilst he's doing that, I've got a nice handy shelf here. You want something that's sort of roughly waist height. I could also do it on disabled doors, a little bit higher. The more flexible your shoulders are, the higher up you want it to be. You can do it kneeling down using a dining room chair. You can use it using the worktop while you're boiling the kettle for a cup of tea. Anywhere really. Aerialists, you know how we never want Lego hands. We always want thumbs or up round bars. We want Lego hands. Lego hands, flat on the shelf. And then we're going to back up and put our head between our arms. And then we're going to relax our chest down. Okay? We don't want to go all saggy and bendy in the middle. Because if we do that, I'm not actually stretching anything, I'm just putting pressure on my back. I want to engage my core. Suck those tummy muscles back towards my spine. And push, squeezing the shoulder blades together, down. Energy out through the fingertips. Stretchy, stretchy, stretch. We can push a little bit into one side and to the other. Take it a bit more into our laps. And stretch there. Keep squeezing that tummy back to that spine. Mine just wants to go all saggy because it's relaxed and lazy. Stretch it there. Okay? Rolling up out of that. Should feel a nice stretch down your shoulders. Okay. Oh, Mikey was going to come and say hello and he's gone away again. Maybe we'll see if we can get Mikey to feature in next week's video. But for now, from me and Circus Pony number 1, hello. And Circus Pony number 2, hello. We will see you soon.